Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2012 Harley Davidson Softail Slim, and this is in Ember Red Sunglow. We've got the cigarette style auxiliary port. You can do heated gear or phone charger, any sort of accessory that has that type of plug. We've got the 103 cubic inch engine, and we have these beautiful dual chrome Cobra exhaust pipes. All the chrome on the spokes look really nice. We have the heel toe shifter for the rider. Solo seat. No passenger pegs. And the miles are 9,763. Again, this is a 2012 Softail Slim. Come check it out. We are open for test rides 6 days a week.